Hey guys, today I have a very good news for everyone. CLC made their comeback with Helicopter. Yes, I'm very excited because it's been a year since they released their single Devil, and yeah, I've been thirsty for this. Of course, I know Cheshires have watched their performance, their spoiler performance of Helicopter on Weekly Idol, so we know these parts.
I go up, helicopter, then I make hella noise for the takeoff. I go up.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So we've been spoiled by this year's CLC for a long time already, and finally they released the song, and I'm very excited to watch the music video. And without further ado, let's watch the music video and watch me react to CLC's latest single, Helicopter. Yeah! Ooh, helicopter sound. We won't be lonely at the top. Of course, CLC, we're always with you. Ooh, they're always so pretty. Sungyeon, Eugene, Yeoni. I can feel the no concept with this music video because they are similar with the lights. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, Sungyeon. I like this song. I like this part. Elkie, I really love Elkie's blue hair here. Oh, it suits her because she's so beautiful. Yeon's rapping on the first part. Hey, I like this so much swag. Hey, get it. Hey, oh, I'm the zone. Ooh, Elkie, she's always pretty. She's a goddess. Unbin's rapping, I really like it. Hey, Unbin, my bias. I love you, Unbin. What's that? A scissor dance kick? Oh, a scissor kick dance? What's that? Oh my god. Ooh, Sungyeon. Oh, she's so pretty. She's gorgeous. She's very charismatic. Hey, get it, Eugene. Ooh. Hey, Unbin's voice so pretty. Hey, Unbin. Sungi. Go up, helicopter. Then I make hella noise for the takeoff. I go up, helicopter, never give up. Hey, Sungyeon. Hey. Sorn, get it, girl. Step on me, Sorn. Step on me, Sorn. Sorn. Get that, Sorn, get that, screen time. Hey, I really like this song. Hey. Oh, Unbin. How pretty Unbin, my bias. Sungi. Okay, yeah, let's rap again. I like this part. Hey. Yes, of course, you're gonna make it big. So pretty. Ooh. Sungyeon. Wow. Ooh. So very charismatic. Oh, short hair. Oh. Hey, I go up, helicopter, then I make hella noise for the takeoff. I go up, helicopter, never give up. Hey, Yeon. Hey, I really like this song. Ooh, Sorn. Oh my god, oh, whoa. What's that? Yes, you're here. Okay. You're going with me? Sorn. Sungyeon. Hey, of course, she's always a great dancer. Yeon, so pretty. Oh, Sungi's voice. Oh my god. Yeon, Sungi. Hey, oh, what's that? Oh, wow, I really love this song. The energy, the power, everything. Oh my god. Hey, Elkie. Hey. Okay, that's it. Oh my god. The journey never ends. Of course, CLC. Wow. Wow, this song is freaking good. The music video is very good. I like how they made it with that concept. Also, CLC is always improving and giving their best. The song is freaking awesome. I hope you will check it and stream the music video and check out CLC's new video, new song Helicopter. Download it, buy their album, support them as much as you can because CLC's journey never ends. It hasn't stopped here and they're gonna go to the top. Okay? Bye. Continue to support CLC and keep on loving them.